What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 36 and today's topic will be pattern matching. But in this tutorial we'll be going to talk about how to do pattern matching using enum method, and that too using match operator. So three things. We are going to do pattern matching using enum method, and inside the enum method we'll be going to use the match operator. So let me quickly open my ID so I can explain this thing. So if you see guys, in the last tutorial we have created one function, and inside the function we had our match operator. But in this tutorial we'll be going to do the same thing, but this time it is not going to be a normal function, rather than it will be going to be a enum method. So this fn keyword will be replaced by impl. Okay, so let me remove everything just to make it like clean, and so that I'll be able to explain each and everything from the beginning. So let's clear this thing. Okay, fine. So let's start writing our code. So it will be enum exam will be pass i32 like this, and fail i32 like this. Okay, and after that we'll be going to create our main function. Inside that, let's create an instance. So let exam underscore 1 will be exam, then pass, and let's say it should be 70. Okay, fine. So now we'll be going to create or define the enum method. Okay, so it will be impl, then exam, and after that fn. So it should going to be, it is going to display some content, so it will be display. Okay, and we all know we have to use this ampersand self, because we're not going to call this method from here using any argument. So by default it will be ampersand, and there will be no return type, and inside that we'll be having our match. And now the interesting thing, we will be going to differentiating this thing using this asterisk. But again, I'm not going to talk about this pointer over here. Just remember this thing: whenever you are going to create an enum method using and calling that enum method using this ampersand self, you have to, if you want to match, apply match on this thing as an, so this is actually the value of this thing. So if it is a reference, means address, and this is star of this thing is going to be the value. So just think about in that way. So I believe all of you are familiar with C and C++, so all of you are familiar with this ampersand and asterisk thing. So what is the value, meaning of asterisk, and what is the value of ampersand? Just correlate these things with that. But this is not 100% correct. I'll be going to talk about this in the later part, but this is not the right time to explain this thing. I'm just going to give you a high level skeleton of using match operator, using enum method. Okay, so that is why just try to visualize this thing with this thing. Okay, and after that we have to create our this thing. Okay, so it will be exam, yes, exam, and pass value. If it is going to be like this, then it is going to print ln, and it should be like value is, and after that it should be value, and we'll write this. And then let's create another thing here like this, and this time this should be fail. Okay, so everything is done. So now from here we have to you have to call this method. So okay, fine. So like this. So here we'll be going to call that method. So it should be exam1. So exam1 is an instance of this thing, so it is having this method, so we'll be able to use dot operator. You see display is coming. So that's it. So if you run this thing, we'll get this thing value is 70. Okay, so let me just this thing. Okay, and after that I think, okay, everything is done. So let's run this thing. I think some error is there. I'm not sure what is the error. I always do some mistake. What is this? Okay, I think some I removed some this thing, so 1 2 1 2, so there will be one closing braces. Okay, that's it. So normal thing. So it is building, so it should print value is 70. Okay, so that's it guys. So here actually we are using this thing without any return statement. Okay, so but you can use it using return, so that we'll do in the next tutorial. Okay, so here actually you're directly printing this value over here, but you can create a return statement here, and after that you will get your things back, and you can do some sort of calculation logic using something, whatever you can do. But the gist part is that how to return this thing from the enum method we'll see in the next tutorial onwards. Okay, so that's it guys. Probably let me just quickly wrap up this thing. So while doing the wrap up, I will highly recommend you guys to start doing practice. If you see the videos are getting like the video like count of videos, or the within our course the video count is getting increased by every day. So now it is tutorial 36, so we have already created more than 8 or 9 hours content. So if you are not going to do practice, then definitely will forget. So just because you enroll to this course, this is my responsibility to give you the guidance. So guys, please do some sort of practice. If you are having some difficulties, you can ask me 1000 times, I'll answer. And in between, if you found some interesting use case, if you want me to include those things, please feel free to write me. I will try to include this in the course. Okay, so that's it guys, we'll see you in the next video. But before I end up this course end up this video, I'll request you guys to please do subscribe to our channel. If someone is watching for the first time, please do subscribe, hit the like button, and also hit the bell icon, so you should not miss any notification from next time. And thank you very much for all the Udemy students for purchasing this course. You guys are amazing. Thanks for helping me, and same thing is applicable for all of you guys. If there is any if you find any difficulties or doubt, please ask me over Udemy instructor message box. I'll always online over there, and I can answer your queries as soon as possible. Okay, so that's it guys, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and don't forget to practice. Okay, so happy learning.